Want a massive striper right now. Want a massive striper.
You gotta reach and get it.
Stop.
No,
Stop. Let it run. Let it run.
No.
We need a net. 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 Brandon, net.
Oh my god, this is a 5-pound striper.
I know. 5 pound. That's like a. Brody, are you still on?
Yeah.
It's on. Really? No, let it run. Let it run. We're gonna tire it out. We're gonna.
It's so fun. It's a big striper.
Hold on. I need. All right, just let it run. Just literally hold it there. Do not reel. Do not reel. Reel when it gets loose. Reel when it gets loose.
You saved my rod.
All right. Let it run. Let it run.
You saved my fucking rod. You saved my fucking rod.
We got a net. Give me it. I'm a pro netter. Come on. Brody, do not rip. Don't rip. Do not rip.
Oh my!
It's freaking massive. Don't reel. Let it go.
It's the biggest fish I've ever.
Don't reel. Holy guys, this is a massive striper.
Get under.
Watch out, Brody. Watch out.
If it wasn't for me! Oh my god!
I can't even fit it in the net. Holy crap.
Holy! We're fucking eating it! We're eating it!
Dude. Someone run to get the parents.
We're eating it.
Someone run to get the parents.
That's fine. We're eating it.